Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy a website into Netlify. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Netlify. Open the first link and then log into your account or create an account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then go to projects and then go to browse to upload files and then upload your project file or folder containing all the files CSS, HTML, JavaScript, anything, and then press here, upload the file as I told you, and then press on upload, and then it will take some time to deploy it. After it finishes, you can see all the files are deployed, you can see the deployment logs and everything, and then just press on publish and it will publish it and host it inside Netlify, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.